Hey guys, I have an awesome autumn apple picking shirt. A couple other ones coming right up. So I have a couple of tie-dye reveals for today. Obviously I have the awesome autumn apple picking shirt, which is a tongue twister, but I'm keeping it because I like it. But I'm going to say that one for last because it's going to be awesome. This one, I kind of just came up with a name, not even on purpose. I call this one the Confused Swirl, and you'll see why. I have yellow and blue is the main colors. So the blue is going to have white highlights, and the yellow is going to have black highlights. So light with dark, dark with light. So this is that. So there's that. That looks awesome. So I used regular yellow, turquoise, black, and obviously I left white in there too, so I'm calling this one the Confused Swirl. Now this one I don't have a name for, but it is a heart. I didn't do the center because the center is, you know, same old, same old. I want to do something different. I love my hearts. My hearts are pretty awesome. They're, I want to say perfect, so I'm just going to go with perfect. So this one I went with some cool colors, and I'm excited about it because I think it's going to look really good together. So this heart is a black heart outlined with blue with yellow behind that, so it kind of has a little bit of green tint to it. And then after that is yellow, orange, and pink on the outside. So this is my perfect heart, randomly placed in my shirt. Alright. Ooh, that looks so good. I love that. So, black, blue with a little bit of green because it mixed with the yellow, and then yellow, orange, pink. Alright, so awesome autumn apple picking shirt right here. So this one actually was given, the idea was given to me by somebody that I work with, and she said that she went apple picking, and she was like, oh, you know, it'd be really cool if we could all have apple picking shirts, so could you do an apple? Duh, I'm gonna do an apple. So she also is a very awesome customer. Thank you, Tracy. So this is my apple shirt. Next time I'm gonna throw a little bit of brown in it, but it's gonna look cool. There we go. So what I'm gonna do with this one is, because I think it'll look cool, I'm gonna use the 3D puffy paint, and I'm going to put a stem and a leaf on that. So that is my awesome autumn apple picking shirt. Woo! Thank you. Like and subscribe, please.